Hey guys, TJ from OG Racing. Liv is here, and we're gonna pimp her helmet. We're gonna pimp it out with all sorts of pretty pink and purple.
Let's do the Hans anchors, because we have some awesome pink ones. These also come in purple, red, yellow, blue, green, silver, gold. There's a gold option if you're into all gold everything. These are just for packaging. Never try to put them on your helmet. Say bye-bye to the basic. So we are going all out with these nifty pink ones.
So when you start doing these, you really want the orientation of this lobe to point near the back of the helmet right here. And what that does is it helps you get the Hans device on when you're in the car. What happens if you put it too far straight back, when you're putting the Hans device on, you inevitably always lean your head down, and that means to click, you're pulling up. But if you're pointing it slightly down, then as you're inevitably looking down to do all the work behind your helmet, it puts it more in line to pull directly back to the Hans device. So you always want to leave it down a little bit. All right, that's awesome.
So fresh.
So now you've been OG Pimp.